In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch FIFA World Cup 2026 on YouTube. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that you cannot watch every match completely free on YouTube. FIFA has partnered with YouTube as a preferred platform, which means you'll get highlights, behind the scenes content, and in some cases, limited live streams or selected full matches shared by official broadcasters. To start, launch your YouTube. Now, in the search box, type in FIFA official channel and search for it. Once it appears, click on it. Now, this is where you will find live updates, match highlights, and exclusive content throughout the tournament. During live matches, some broadcasters may stream the first few minutes or even selected games directly on YouTube, depending on your reason. If you want full live matches, you will usually need a streaming service like YouTube TV or official sport broadcasters since they hold the main rights to show complete games. For free viewing, you can also check FIFA's official platform, FIFA Plus, which may offer select matches and replays. So while YouTube is great for highlights and partial live coverage, combining it with official streaming services will give you the full World Cup experience. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.